everyone. Today we'll do one simple problem from simplification. Okay, a board 7 feet 9 inches long is divided into three equal parts. What is the length of each part? That is a question. For that, you should know what is 1 feet. You are using a scale, one full scale. Okay, daily you are using. When you go to school also for measuring, for drawing a line, for everywhere you are using. Okay, for beating others also you are using scale. Do you know how many inches are there in that scale? That is 1 feet scale. That is actually what you are using. I'm talking about long size, long scale, not small one. That is 1 feet scale. In 1 feet, 12 inches are there. In 1 feet, 12 inches. You go and check. 12 inches. Okay. So, what is the length of the board? Length of the board is 7 into 12 because 7 feet plus 9 inches because one is in feet, other one is in inches. So, I am converting both the units into inches. So, 7 twelves are 84 plus 9, that is 93 inches. That is the length of the board. It is divided into three equal parts. Okay. Number of parts 3. So, length of one part is equal to 93 by 3 because the number of parts is 3 equal parts. It's given in the problem. So, after division, I got 31 inches. That is, if you divide 31 by 12, because 12 inches only 1 feet. 2 feet, because 2 twelves are 24. Remainder 7. Am I right? 2 feet 7 inches. That is the length of one part. Thank you.